Is your HP 10th gen laptop stuck on the screen? You go into the BIOS, but there are no legacy boot options to be found. Don't worry, you aren't locked out of your computer. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 6-step process to bypass secure boot and get your PC running again. And if those steps don't work, I have 2 secret methods involving GPT and MBR partition styles that fix this 99% of the time. Moreover, I included all the methods to fix the issue in the description section. Let's dive right in. Problem solved. Your HP should be booting up perfectly now. If you ran into any issues with the USB partition styles, check out my other video right here, point to screen, where I show you how to properly flash a drive using GPT for these 10th gen systems. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.